Ever dreamed of a stress-free retirement without giving up the home you love? For many seniors, our homes become our biggest assets. Yet we often find ourselves asset-rich but cash-constrained, held back from the life we've always imagined. Introducing Imagine Living. Turn the life you've always imagined into reality. We purchase your home, but here's the best part. You get to stay in your home. We instantly give 100% of your home's equity, and you can continue living in your home without the stresses of homeownership. As an Imagine Living tenant, forget property taxes, costly repairs, and unforeseen maintenance. You can enjoy the perks of a stress-free retirement with exclusive member benefits like lawn care, house cleaning, and 24/7 property management. With the funds you unlock as an Imagine Living member, make your dreams a reality. Take that vacation, pay off your debts, cover your expenses, offset your rent, build a legacy, and invest for a secure future. Experience the joy of seeing your loved ones cherish their inheritance now. Why wait to live the life you've always imagined? Imagine Living, turning dreams into reality. Contact us now and start living the life you've always imagined.